So I'm going to do a very quick enclosed tarp shelter. This will require 3 pegs, a stick or a walking pole, trekking pole. If you use a stick, you really want something to go cloth over the top to protect your tarp. And you're going to need a good 3x3 meter tarp. So for this, very simply, I'm going to peg the 2 corners out at the back and then come to the front, find the center line and peg to the center line, the 2 corners at the front to the center line. And I'll show you how it goes. So just going to peg out the points at the back. You don't need any cord for this, so it's quite nice and easy to carry. Just 3 pegs. Obviously you can make your pegs if you need to. Just peg out the 2 at the back, come to the front, find your center line, which is here for me. I'm going to get the corner on one side, bring it over to where the center line is roughly, peg that out, get the other corner, put that on the same peg, and then all's left to do is to go inside, find the middle section and peg it up. So for this you have to climb in. It's quite undignified. So once in, just adjust your pole. Takes a little bit of time to just get right. Try and find the center section of your tarp. Tighten that up. You will have to adjust the front a little after this. So back out the front. As you can see, we're nearly done. All I'm going to do now is just adjust the front slightly, pull it out, peg it down, and there's your triangular pyramid tarp tent. Fully enclosed. You can peg down the edges if you need to, but that's it. That's as quick as it is. Fully enclosed, really roomy, spacious inside, and yeah, quite enjoyable to do. Quite enjoyable to live in. Got lots of headroom, and for this section, once you're in, you can actually take this section here and peg it out inside so you don't get wet. Ta-da! So just going to take you for a quick tour around. So this is the tent itself, as you can see, nicely pegged out of the back. Nothing too crazy, literally just the 2 pegs keeping it in, and we'll try and have a little tour inside. So this is the undignified section. Getting into the tent itself, you've got to hold this up, and it's quite difficult with one hand. Enter through here, and as you can see, you've got quite a nice lot of room. You've got the pole to contend with, which goes up to the roof, but you can happily sit down in here and sit up, so you don't have to worry about headroom. You can peg out the bottom sections if you needed to, so you can stop any more weather coming in. And for this flap, which is here, you just pull this in. I'm going to try and pull back a little bit there so you can see better. So you've got this flap. This flap here, you could happily just have a bit of cord and tie out down to the bottom here, or you could just peg it out inside, and you've got this really nice area. It's big enough for one person and all their kit. Yeah, really nice, simple, pretty bomb-proof setup. Yeah, one to throw up very quickly if it's absolutely belting down. Well, I hope you enjoyed that.